Hey guys, let's go for the weekly news. It's Wednesday. We are going to look into what's going on with the crypto market. As you know better than me, things didn't go so well since the Tuesday, this bloody Tuesday. People believe it's due to the El Salvador getting a big correction from the US government. Who knows? It's only speculation. So we have to look into it. So let's go straight up. I'm looking at the crypto screeners. You can see that absolutely everything is done. Except today Algorand plus 30%, so you should expect also a correction coming soon for it, the same as it happened for Solana today. Yesterday SOL was going very well, and today we got even at some point a minus 20% if I remember. So yeah, I was telling you yesterday 20, 30, maybe even more. We got this 20%. That's something normal. I'm not surprised about it. When we look at the scalps index, you can clearly see we had this pullback down to 40, this big correction here, right? And almost down to the 42. So we got this 42 now as a support. We're going to go and test it again. I have almost no doubt about it. So don't expect to see Bitcoin bullish yet. It's not going to happen yet. We know that's from the option track, from the contract options and futures. Sorry, we know that it's going to get better by the end of this month because the institutions are on a long. Are all long on it, so that should get better. But we could go maybe meanwhile down to the 37k. So we need really to watch out and yeah, take your profit when it's time and don't wait. Otherwise, you're getting wiped. Something you need to know is within just 1 to 4 hours yesterday, we got 3 to 4 billion position liquidated for a total of $600 billion market cap, guys. Just gone in a few seconds. That is absolutely wow, it's mind-blowing. If you look at this here, I was telling you about the moon effect on the trading. Now people are even more convinced about it, since yesterday was a new moon and things went bad for Bitcoin, a bloody Tuesday like we can call it. And the next time we got something going on with the moon is on the 14th of this month. So maybe that's when we're going to see the market going back into a bull run this time. So who knows? As per here, we can see the exchange liquidation for the last 4 hours. We can see that yeah, Binance has one of the most almost 50%. Bybit for 34%. It's huge, and all of the other exchanges are very low though. So yeah, that's also something very interesting to look into it. We got Coinbase. Coinbase got some news. They are getting in trouble with the SEC. You know, the police of the banks. Let's say they don't like that Coinbase has a system. You know, like if you had some money on a wallet in your bank and get maybe 5% return maximum a year, and maybe that's even way more than it is. It's probably 3. Yeah, Coinbase is going to give you 20% annual return, and the SEC doesn't like it at all, guys. So they start to get into it, probably because they want to have their share of the cake. You know how are the banks and everyone, they all want to get their cash. So that's maybe what's going on. Who knows. One other interesting thing, it's in El Salvador. We know that since yesterday they are accepting Bitcoin for payment. You can see right here on the screen someone paying for his food. I'm thinking, maybe not only me, but many people think maybe is the US actually did something against El Salvador and all other countries that would go into crypto very soon. So they try to give them a small correction or a big one. The same day they turn into crypto, Bitcoin crash, which is of course going to make people struggling even more. They will have to spend more Bitcoin to get the same things than they could the day before. So it's not very fair, huh? That's the problem of using a cryptocurrency for payment instead of a stable coin. I'm not sure why they don't use a stable coin. Maybe someone can explain me, but it's disturbing, I think. But I wouldn't be surprised someone with the bank, the US government did something to crash Bitcoin just just the same day of El Salvador getting it's like historical for everyone. So that's fairly possible, I would say. What other news do we have here going on? No, not much. Let's go. Yes, El Salvador, cool. Let's look at ADA, guys. You know that ADA went very low also, as everyone else, and we're still going to hit, I guess, the 10K weekly at least at $2. And if Bitcoin is not is going to test the 38K, we will go with ADA at 164 to the 10K monthly. That's kind of scary. I know. Yeah, because you can see Bitcoin here could go to the 10K weekly fairly quickly for Bitcoin USD, so 41,000, and then going down to here our SSB of the cloud 34K. That'd be at the worst case scenario, but that's possible. The gold versus Bitcoin, of course, is going well at the moment. We got a reverse candle, reverse hammer at the moment, so that could be normally it's following by a bearish trend, but this is the beginning of the day, right? So it's not yet done. For Solana, but you can see clearly we got this candle forming here. We got into a bearish trend. It seems like we got the pullback, the big correction. It went very low. If you take this on year to year, we got what? We got 18, let's say 20% correction. That's quite a lot, and I know some people yesterday were thinking, oh, SOL is gonna go very well, never going to be any trouble, but then now it is. So be careful with Algorand. Same things can happen. For Ethereum, you see we are testing now our position of 3,300 and 3,400. It went as low as almost our Kijun weekly at $3,000. So we need to worry about this also and to be careful, because Bitcoin is not yet done. It's still going on. We don't want to get crushed by Bitcoin going bearish with all our altcoins. On Bitcoin at the moment for September 10th, that's kind of a good news. We see there is a lot of open call interest, more than put interest. So if we go on the 10th of September for this Friday, if I'm right, we got more open call at 50K, and then following by 52 and 54K. So maybe we are going to go back into this trend. We will see that very soon. Tomorrow this will have changed, so watch out. You know that for the 24th of September here we got a lot of open call interest at 64K, 60. So that's why I'm pretty confident saying that what happened yesterday was a market manipulation done through the government, by the government most probably, and that's by the end of this month Bitcoin will be back to good. So I think it's time to accumulate and buy even more of your favorite token. Be ready for the run. The run is coming. You guys, you take care. I see you later for some other news. Sorry if if sometimes I cannot pronunciate properly or very fast enough and well enough. It's because I'm not used to do this. I don't usually do the news format. I will do some other technical analysis where I'm more confident and I feel it more friendly with myself to do it, so I won't have any trouble to talk, and you guys should be happy listening and looking at other technical analysis. Just let me know what's your favorite token, and otherwise I see you on Discord very soon. You guys take care and have a lovely day. Bye.